welcome to my YouTube channel, Mexicanas en el Mundo. I'm Alexandra, a Mexican in Switzerland, and today I'm going to show you how to make a rhubarb strawberry pie. I did this a couple of days ago and uploaded the picture to my Facebook, and a few friends asked, "Oh, we want the recipe, please make us a video or share the recipe." So this is especially for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so the ingredients you need for your rhubarb strawberry pie are 600 grams of rhubarb. For those of you who don't know what rhubarb looks, it's kind of like a red celery stick. You're going to cut off the edges, and especially you have to be careful with getting rid of the leaves because those are very poisonous. So get rid of those, put them in your compost, in your bin, and keep away, keep away. You're also going to need 600 grams of strawberries, 3 eggs, 1.5 cups of sugar, 300 gram pie crust. I'm using here in Switzerland one that's called Butterkuchenteig. It's a store-bought one. You guys can make your own homemade version, or if you want to be practical as well, then just get a pie crust in your local shopping mall, shopping store. What else? 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 5 tablespoons of crushed hazelnuts, half a cup of double cream, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1/4 of a teaspoon of grated nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of jam. I'm going to be using strawberry rhubarb jam. You can use just plain strawberry or plain rhubarb or any flavor you think might go nice with this pie. And half a teaspoon of water. So that basically is it. Okay, so step number 1. We're going to get rid of the green stem, and we're going to chop up our strawberry kind of like in quarters, or if they feel too big, you can chop them up a little bit smaller. And of course, we're going to chop up our rhubarb. Like I said, cut off the edges, keep away from the leaves, those are poisonous, and cut them in little pieces. I'm not sure how big that is, but it's going to be little pieces. You can kind of see when I chop it up. Okay, so the next step is we're going to make a vanilla cream, a custard-like cream. It's a bit thick, but not as thick as custard. It's more like a vanilla cream. We're going to add the double cream, the sugar, the vanilla, the eggs, the flour, and the nutmeg all into a bowl, and we're going to whisk it until it thickens and it's nice and creamy. So first, before we start putting our pie together, you're going to have to preheat your oven to 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. The next step is putting your pie dough on your pie pan. You're going to roll it out all evenly, and you're going to sprinkle over the bottom of the dough the crushed hazelnuts. evenly all over the bottom. If you guys don't like hazelnuts or you're allergic to them, you can either put other nuts or simply not put them in the recipe. That's up to you. I like it with hazelnuts a lot, so that's the nut I picked. So you put your hazelnuts. You're going to add your strawberry and rhubarb, but not before mixing it well with your hands so it's all evenly distributed. Otherwise you get chunks of rhubarb in one part and chunks of strawberry, and it's nicer if you get a bit of everything in a bite. So just mix that all well with your hands before pouring it over the hazelnuts. And last but not least, you're going to pour over the vanilla cream or custard cream. You pour it all over the rhubarb and strawberry. And the 2 tablespoons of butter, you're going to chop them up in very little pieces, and you're going to sprinkle it over the strawberry and rhubarb. That's just to add a bit of flavor, and basically it's more for flavor. So just sprinkle it over, just a few chunks of butter in very small pieces, and then pop it into your oven for 1 hour. Okay, so the pie is all set up and ready to go to the oven. So you can see it looks beautiful. If you guys are girls watching this, I'm pretty sure you're thinking of strawberry shortcake. Come on, admit it. So let's go pop this in the oven, and I'll see you guys in an hour. Okay, so the pie is out of the oven. I let it cool down a bit, and meanwhile I popped in the microwave my jam and some water, and it kind of blended in with the heat. So with a little brush, I'm going to brush it on top of the pie to add some shine to the pie. It makes it look nicer, and of course it adds flavor. And well, the last thing is more of a suggestion. I like pies cold, and this pie in particular tastes better if it's cold. So as soon as I finish brushing on the jam, I'm going to pop mine into the refrigerator. If you guys also like it cold, then I suggest you do that. If you want to try eating it warm, that's up to you, but my recommendation is eat it cold and enjoy it with some nice ice cream. Okay, so the pie is finished, and it's really good. It's honestly a very nice pie. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I hope you guys enjoy making the pie, and I look forward to seeing your comments if you enjoyed the pie, if you have any requests, if you have any suggestions. We like criticism, good and bad, it all helps. And I hope to see you guys in the next video, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.